Okay, we're going to do the mock road test for Brandon. He was sent to me because he needs some driver improvement courses. Great job. It's okay, Brandon. There are a lot of people around the world who need driver improvement. So what Brandon is doing, he's waiting for a gap in traffic. He got a bunch of tickets, and well, that man's a little fast on that gas. So at the traffic light, Mr. Brandon, you're gonna make a right-hand turn. Pretty nice turn. I need you to get over one lane to the left, please. At the light, you're going to be making a left-hand turn and getting on the expressway. Guys, you don't know, this is a protected left-hand turn, so the yellow caught him, so he's going to have to wait till the next one. So tell me, Mr. Brandon, how did you get in trouble and end up back to see me?
Well, you know, I was driving really fast a lot, getting a lot of tickets.
Okay.
And you know, a lot of, you know, reckless driving.
I see. Okay.
So yeah.
Good job.
Failure to yield to emergency vehicles.
Yes, yes, that's common. All right. So Brandon's going pretty good on this cloverleaf. You know, he's cutting across the white line, so that'd be a fault. But he's doing pretty well. He did a nice job of merging out. Oh, you know what that chime is, don't you, son? What does that mean?
Speed limit?
Yeah, you're going a little faster, son. So, oh, I see why you ended up back with me. You gotta watch your speed, son. Okay, be careful. So Brandon's a little fast, so he's gonna get a minus on that. His lane positioning looks pretty good. I see him doing some mirror checks. I'd like you to make a lane change to the left, please. Very nice. Usually when students start, they're tense for the first 5 or 7 minutes. Brandon was a little bit fast, going over the limit, but he kind of settled down. Yeah, watch that sports car, the Mitsubishi Galant. You have about a mile. Eventually, I need you to get over to the right. I would wait till you pass these trucks. Yes, go ahead and make that lane change, please. Good job. It's a nice lane change. He's starting to check his blind spots pretty good. Up. there's that chime again, young man. You're going too fast. Slow down. So it's hard for beginning drivers because the speed limit here is 70, but people are doing 75, 77. We've heard the chime go off a couple times.